Welcome to Divorce 101. You are probably wondering how you arrived here. And you may be feeling overwhelmed or scared or angry or just confused, never thinking that you would be here watching this video. My name is Jen Mitchell. I have been a family law attorney since 2006. I am a mediator, a health and wellness coach, and the CEO and creator of Solace Divorce Mediation. I have guided hundreds of couples through the Solace journey, and I have gone through my own divorce journey. I know how dark the divorce space can be. And I want to help provide you with information so you can be empowered and know the legal process of divorce, and also know the options that are available to you. The legal process of divorce consists of making decisions in three main categories. The first is the most fair and equitable way to divide your marital property, which includes assets and debts. The second is determining the most fair and equitable way to run financial support calculations and contribution towards financial responsibilities. And the third is creating the parenting agreement that is in the best interest of your children, focusing on decision-making for your children and a parenting time plan. Now, you have a choice as to how you would like these decisions to be made. Your first option is to use the traditional family law court system. In that venue, you will hire your own attorney who will serve as your zealous advocate and represent your best interests and your best interests solely, as if you were an island of one. Your attorney will do all of the speaking for you, stripping you of your ability to speak your truth. And in the family law court litigation setting, you will have a complete stranger who is wearing a robe, sitting elevated at the front of the courtroom and looking very important, answering to judge, making all of these decisions for you regarding your children and your marital property. In the family law court system, not only are you stripped of your voice and of your power to decide, but you also have zero control over how long it's going to take you and how much it is going to cost. The second option that is available to you to make these decisions is to utilize mediation. In mediation, you and your spouse will meet with your mediator, and your mediator is a neutral, impartial guide. Now, when you are outside of court utilizing mediation, it is the same exact legal process to get a divorce as when you are inside of court using the family law court litigation system. It's the same state Supreme Court giving you rules and giving you homework, and it's also the same state governing law that is guiding you towards all of the conversations and agreements and decisions that must be made. The only difference is how it is done. When you utilize mediation, your mediator will guide you and your spouse through all of the necessary conversations pursuant to your state governing law. And your mediator will help you to have conversations to reach the agreements and make the decisions that are best for you, for your family, and for your children. The Solace Divorce journey offers you a streamlined experience through the mediation process and the legal process of divorce. We offer flat fees that are based on the number of mediation sessions that are utilized, so there are no surprises and no hidden costs. Included in the flat fees, we have an onboarding Zoom session where you, your spouse, and your mediator first meet to talk about all of the different conversations you're going to be having and make sure that you're comfortable with the homework that's been assigned to you from your state Supreme Court. Also included in the flat fees, you will receive a Solace Love Toolbox and weekly journal prompts, as well as a Solace Client Emotional Handbook, all of which are to help you with the emotional processing of your divorce journey and to provide you with valuable tips and resources and narratives that you can share with your children during this time. Following every mediation session, you will receive a memorandum of understanding that captures all of the conversations and all of the agreements made between you and your spouse, and which also provides you with managed expectations regarding the remaining conversations and agreements that still need to be made. And finally included in your flat fees is the Legal Document Review Zoom session. In this session, your final memorandum of understanding has been completed and you both have signed off on it. And our outsourced legal team has drafted all of the necessary legal documents for you. In this Zoom space, you, your spouse, and your mediator will review all of your legal documents to make sure that you understand them and that you feel comfortable with them, because the next step in the process is to appear before your assigned judge to have your documents entered with the court. The Solace journey provides you with support and love from your first session until that one and only time that you appear in court. We will provide you with all of the information that is necessary and manage your expectations every step of the way. You and your spouse are absolutely the best authorities to make the decisions necessary to get a legal divorce. You have known your children since the moment you found out you were pregnant with them. You know them better than anyone else in this world, and you love them more than anyone else, significantly more than an attorney or a judge. And you also have lived every single day in your marriage. You and your spouse have worked so hard to accumulate all of the marital property that you currently have. You are absolutely the best authorities to determine the most fair and equitable way to divide that property. You know all of the variables. You know what's important to you, and you know what's important to your spouse. Solace brings couples together to make these decisions in an empowered manner that is focused on growth. We help couples exit their marriage the same way in which they entered, with respect, with mindfulness, and with love. The heart of Solace is children. We want your children to be empowered and inspired from your divorce journey. And the foundation of Solace is self-care and self-love. Divorce is one of the most emotionally difficult experiences that you will endure in your lifetime. It is imperative that you take very good care of yourself and give yourself the love that you deserve. And when you give yourself that self-care and self-love, you help open up your energetic space so you can clear all of the energies and quiet all the noise around you from everyone telling you what you should be doing. And instead, you can tune in and center on your individual truth. And that leads us to the soul of Solace, which is authenticity. It is giving you the space to speak your authentic truth and navigate forward in your journey, guiding you towards your highest and greatest good. And the root of the work that we are doing is we are on a journey of healing. Healing from all past traumas and experiences that have blocked you from becoming the person that you are meant to be. Everything that is happening in your life right now is all happening for you. It is happening for you to learn from, for you to heal from, and for you to grow from. And this includes your divorce. You will emerge from your divorce journey stronger than when you entered. And you will also emerge more aligned with who you are and what you want in this life. This is your divorce journey, your life, your children, your family, and you are in control of every single choice that you make. It is my sincere desire for you to embrace yourself as the absolute best authorities to make the legal decisions that are necessary, to empower yourself to work with your spouse and learn the necessary provisions of the governing law to create the agreements that are best for you and for your children and for your family. If the Solace way resonates with you, the next step is for you to book a consultation for a day and time that works best for you. The consultation fee will be deducted from your flat fees if you choose to move forward with the Solace journey. Deep breaths and calming thoughts. All is well. I am sending you so much love as you navigate through your divorce journey.